Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Alchemy for Web3 development, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Alchemy website. Look for the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You will be directed to the registration page. Here, you will see a form asking for some basic information. Fill in your first and last name. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password that meets the required criteria. Make sure to confirm your password in the next field. Check the box to agree to Alchemy's terms of service. If prompted, complete any additional verification steps, such as a CAPTCHA. Once you have filled out the form, click on the Sign Up button. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after registering. Open your email inbox and look for the confirmation email from Alchemy. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This will redirect you back to the Alchemy platform. Now you can log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, you may be prompted to set up a project. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your first project. Select the blockchain for which you want to develop. Provide a unique name for your project. Choose the specific features you'd like to enable for this project. Once all the information is filled out, click on the Create Project button. You will now have access to your project dashboard. From the dashboard, explore the available tools and resources. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the documentation and tutorials. You're now ready to begin your Web3 development journey with Alchemy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.